With the expanding of the aging population, we desperately need new therapies for brain diseases.
The clinical trials are the only way that we can find a cure for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, and Huntington's disorders.
We need many patients to get engaged in clinical trials. It's the only way to get new drugs approved. There are many potential therapies for brain diseases, but they all have to be tested in a clinical trial where we compare a placebo group to an active therapy group. That is the only way of proving that a drug works, and therefore the only kind of data that the FDA will accept to approve a new drug. At the Cleveland Clinic Lou Ruvo Center for Brain Health, we urgently need people to volunteer for these trials so that we can get to these new treatments faster.
I was part of a Parkinson's study. They needed somebody normal. There was very little risk involved with it. I'm glad we could help.
Can you spell the word world, please?
W-O.
There are many advantages to participate in clinical trial. First, they potentially are benefiting from a drug that is not available for the rest of the population. Number two, they receive ongoing clinical care that otherwise they may not be able to receive.
Being in a clinical study, even if you're on a placebo, patients actually do better because they get more attention, they're more closely monitored. Even the caregiver has an opportunity to provide more feedback. So we know that the patients do benefit from being in these studies.
Clinical trial participants are fearful that they are guinea pigs, that somehow we're exposing them to dangerous medications unnecessarily, and nothing could be further from the truth. The kind of trials that we do are of drugs that have already been tested, and we know their safety profile, and now we're looking to say, does it affect the disease that this person is suffering from?
I didn't feel like a guinea pig. I felt like we were so lucky to be included in this and to get the care that he got. They do regular PET scans, but to do the Alzheimer PET scan would be astronomically expensive. They just did it for nothing.
If some people cannot take pills because they have swallowing difficulties, we offer a variety of forms of the drug, from the pills to injection to infusion. By getting in clinical trials, our patients are helping doctors, researchers to discover the new treatment for brain disorders. So they are our heroes.
It's great, just look at the color.
Most people really enjoy being in a clinical trial. They develop a relationship with the trial team. They know that they are making an important contribution to accelerate drug development.
I'm incurable, but I realized that if I wasn't going to be able to be fixed, there could be people out there who could be fixed, and to pass that on to others.
We've had a number of participants who verbalize that they're doing it because they don't want the same thing to happen to their children, and they want to really help the future generations.
Clinical trials are the one channel to an approved therapy for a brain disease. But the truth is, not enough people are volunteering.
So we do need your help, we do need your participation. The ultimate goal is to find a cure.